So I wanted to have a conversation with you. Quite often during house inspections, our inspector comments about a bathroom and says it doesn't have enough ventilation, that the bathroom fan doesn't run long enough, and you should have a handy dandy little timer instead of just an on-off switch. So I decided to just give you a quick infomercial on how easy it is to switch out your regular switch to a timer. So what I did is I went ahead, turned off my power, of course, and I went ahead and took off the little faceplate for the outlet, or the little switch, took it off, 2 simple flat-headed screws, so just 1 simple little screwdriver, and then I, made sure, what I did is I turned on the fan, so then that way when I flipped off the breaker, I would absolutely be sure that I had the right breaker because I couldn't hear the fan running any longer, so I knew it was off. And so I made sure I had the right one turned off. Then I went ahead and pulled out the wires. With this one, quite often it will just have the wires on the side. Black to brass is usually how it goes. This one, I had to just put the little screwdriver into here and depress it, and then the wires pulled out. And so after I did that, then I came back, I connected the correct wires, as it says in this handy dandy little diagram here of how I needed to connect my wires. So I did that, and then these are wire nuts, these little orange devices here. You put your wires together and you just crank them on. You just simply turn these babies on, and then what we're gonna do is press them into the back of the box, and I'm then going to put the pretty little faceplate on, and it does come with, so if you have silver in your bathroom, you can have silver with a fashionable black knob. White went with my other ones, and I'm going to be switching out these other 2 ivory ones because they're kind of old and ugly. So, but that's my little tidbit. As our inspectors say, have a timer. So then that way your bathroom fan, you could just quickly set it to your 30 minutes. You know that it is then venting out all your damp moisture, so you aren't going to get mold, fungus in your bathroom, and it makes your house healthier. So that's my little DIY tidbit today. And once again, let me see the package. It is simply, it looks like this, in-wall countdown timer. But if you have any other questions about DIY or buying a house to renovate, feel free to buzz me. I am on Whidbey Island, Windermere Real Estate, and I'm Anita Johnston. So have an awesome day and be safe.